Hello everybody, welcome to another video for this camping trip that I'm going on. Yeah, I need to get packing. It's a 6-hour drive, but it's 4:40 right now in the afternoon. But yeah, here's all the stuff. It's so hot outside. You ready? You ready?
Oh, yes. Oh, ready.
Let's go. It's 5:44. We're gonna get there so late. But it's okay.
Yeah.
What is a 6-hour drive?
Yeah. Well, 5:30, but like
With stops.
with stops. And
So we'll get there at like 12-ish.
Yeah. Are you uncomfortable or something?
Holy. So how was your first long road trip with us?
Don't document this. If Jasmine sees that, I'm eating chest. Oh. This guy lives in terror. Well, I live in terror. This is the very reason. No!
I'm putting all of this in for you guys.
Yeah! Look at all that. Cut through his fingers.
150 calories. Finally got everything set up.
Did you know? I'm allergic to bananas.
We literally said we're gonna get bananas for breakfast. But look at the views. Oh my gosh.
I woke up, I was like, oh, our view's pretty nice. No, our view is interesting.
Alright guys.
That's to murder people.
Alright. Alright guys. It's 7:30 in the morning. We're supposed to wake up at 5:30, but I just couldn't wake up. I think you woke up at 5:30, right?
Like 6.
Oh.
6:30?
Yeah, but we were trying to go to the Lighthouse Trail, but I think we're gonna go to the shorter trail because we just couldn't wake up. But I think it'll still be really pretty. The views are really nice.
Oh, they have that with the bug. Look, mother, I'm brushing my teeth.
I'm proud of you. Gosh, dang it. What a beauty. Ah!
We're headed out Rock Island Trail.
It is now 8:03. Oh gosh.
3 hours after we were supposed to wake up.
But it's okay. It still feels nice outside.
It does.
Jay just pooped.
Sure, that's not a duck. I mean a...
Nathan,
Cassie?
we all know that you didn't do it.
Isn't this like a great...
Hey Jay. What you sucking on there? Can I put that in the vlog?
You must. Automatically demonetized. Sub YouTube.
You're canceled.
before you even started. You've seen this. Insane. Hey, zoom in on them. Those people are tiny. Hello. Tiny.
So this is a short interview on our rock garden trail. How do you feel so far?
Dude, this is so tiny. It's like a diet.
Diet what?
Dude, fill in the blank or something. Starting hole. What grade is this?
Just come here. We're here to not catch you. Yeah.
Oh! I made my butt crack. This is a certified V70.
From trusted sources, this is where they shot Lion King.
Just up there, right? Dude, no way.
Oh, safety.
Dude!
Oh, doorknob.
Oh god.
Find the doorknob. This is Ray's. He goes by REI, but it's Ray's. Hey, you got some Ray's?
Hope I don't trip.
Hey, did you know?
If I trip, I die.
Did you know, Tommy? People have been calling REI for too long. It's actually Ray. Canyon formation is tiny.
I got my Cliff Bar. And he just got his. How are you holding up, Jay?
Pretty good. This place is kind of amazing. At the moment.
Good. It's a good boy.
Good boy.
Alright. 3, 2, 1. Seats. Oh.
I think this is Jay's new camping chair that he got from REI. It rocks and everything. That's crazy. Wait. Apparently this chair gives you power.
Oh, none to man.
Jay, bring me water.
Eat some diet.
Wow, it's so comfortable. Holy crap. What is this called?
Nice, huh?
NEMO?
Try leaning back like more and more.
Stargaze.
Like try to look at the ceiling.
Dude, this came undone.
Whoa, that's not.
What? This came undone. One sec.
That's reassuring. Oh my gosh. How much was this?
150.
Oh my gosh. I see. The function is where the price is.
Here's Jay's chair. Here's Chris's chair. That's not my chair. You got a little something.
Thanks a lot, buddy. I was saving that for later.
Oh shoot. You know what I was gonna do? I was gonna reserve this. Because he's gonna get it. Then these bugs are getting trapped in my Yeti cup.
Basically the honey water.
Yeah.
You know, like it traps all the
Gatorade bugs.
Is this all the onions we have?
No, we have a lot of onions. Do you need more?
Yeah.
Oh no. No, you really can't watch it.
Oh!
Thumbs up.
Chug, 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 chug. You just fill it up with water. That's it. This was a $10 purchase, but I think it makes cooking so much easier. Ooh. Ah. Oh.
Oh yes. Oh yes. This hunk of meat. Beer in it, right?
Can you see it? You know where the forks are?
Where did I put this thing? Oh. There's one here.
I think we only use one.
Oh. Where were the plates then? It's good. I like the beer. The beer Bossam.
You want one more? I felt your,
Oh yeah.
Oh my god!
Let's wash it off.
Did you just cut it?
Yeah. Ah.
That was so sad.
I'm done. I'm gonna wash this off, man. I don't know about
Yeah,
you.
let's go wash it off.
Yeah.
Here, use the sink. I'll cut the other ones. No one will know.
I was telling Chris, I got so sad when I saw it fall.
Me too.
I was gonna hijack your car and go to the nearest McDonald's.
Just got done making bossam, and now we're doing our afternoon hike of the day. It's 7 o'clock. Which way? Is it this way? feels so much nicer like without the sun.
Yeah. Put your hand through here. Normally you want to adjust like this to be tighter, to fit your wrist. And then you just kind of, you don't really need to grip it hard. You just like wrap around it a little bit loosely. You do, all the work is on here.
That's crazy. Did you know that, Jay?
Do this.
Hey, did you know?
Did you know?
Dude, I didn't know. Wow, we're really in the wilderness now. What a river.
Exactly what I was looking for, you know?
Should we jump in?
Hey, there's something in the water.
Alex. Is this also an In-N-Out?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello? Oh, hello? Sorry, dude. Do your same.
They're always on like the most itchiest parts of the body.
I'm not even in focus. Oh, there. We didn't even do anything in the later half of the day. We're eating so much. Got a moth.
Isn't it a dragonfly? I thought it was a dragonfly.
Is it a dragonfly? Like a moth.